Hey there, have you ever dreamed of running a successful influencer business but felt stuck because you don't want to be on camera, don't have a big audience, or just don't know where to start? What if I told you there's a way to skip all those hurdles and still make real money online, passively, while you sleep? Let me introduce you to Influenx AI, a game-changing tool that lets you create hyper-realistic AI influencers in minutes. No filming, no editing, no awkward self-promotion. Just imagine your own AI influencer, working 24/7, posting content, engaging audiences, and closing sales for you. No experience, followers, or marketing skills required. Here's how simple it is. You log into your dashboard, pick an influencer from over 120 ready-made personalities, or even clone your own voice and style. Then, with a few clicks, you launch it across Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, you name it. The AI handles everything. Writing posts, replying to comments, even negotiating deals like a human salesperson. And the best part? You own every influencer you create, forever. No subscriptions, no monthly fees, just a single payment for lifetime access. Think about what that means. While you're sipping coffee or hiking with friends, your AI influencer is out there building your brand. Take Eddie, for example. He's a regular guy with zero tech skills, but he created 2 AI influencers in under an hour. Now, they're rented out to businesses, earning him money while he travels. Or Sean, who connected his AI influencer to his online store and watched it generate over $3,250 in sales in 1 week. And it's not just for e-commerce. Kundin uses his AI influencers to manage content for 3 different companies, freeing up his time to focus on his passions. What makes Influenx AI stand out? For starters, you don't need to show your face or spend hours editing videos. The AI clones your personality if you want, or you can pick from a library of diverse, multilingual influencers ready to conquer global markets. Imagine promoting products in French, Spanish, or Mandarin without ever learning a single word. Plus, the built-in analytics show you exactly what's working, how many clicks, sales, or follows you're getting, so you can optimize your strategy in real time. But here's the real kicker. This isn't just a side hustle. Influenx AI opens the door to a scalable business. You can recycle top-performing posts, tweak campaigns with a single click, and even rent out your influencers to other brands. There's no cap on how much you can earn or how many influencers you can create. And unlike traditional marketing, where you're constantly chasing trends, your AI influencer adapts and learns, keeping your content fresh and your audience hooked. So, what's stopping you? For less than the cost of a coffee subscription, you could own a tool that builds your income on autopilot. Picture this: an extra $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 a month flowing into your bank account, without showing your face, writing a single post, or working overtime. The $21 billion influencer industry is booming, and with Influenx AI, you're not just joining it, you're dominating it. Also, when you grab this product through my link, you're not just getting the product itself. Oh no, you're unlocking a stack of exclusive bonuses that I've put together just for you. We're talking real, high-value extras that will turbocharge your results, save you time, and make everything 10x easier. Honestly, it's a no-brainer. Why settle for just the standard offer when you can get all this extra value at no extra cost? It's my way of saying thanks for trusting my recommendation and making sure you're fully equipped to win. Ready to take control? Click the link below to secure your lifetime access to Influenx AI today. This price won't last forever. And if you found this helpful, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button. Share this with someone who needs a financial breakthrough, and subscribe for more life-changing tools. Your future self will thank you. Now here is a quick demo of the product.
Welcome to Influenx AI. Influenx AI is world's first AI app that lets you turn a blank screen into a full-time, hyper-realistic AI influencer that posts, talks, and sells for you 24/7. Now, let me show you how this amazing software works in few steps. So now log into the dashboard. So this is Influenx AI dashboard, as you can see, and on the left hand side you can see the menu where you can create your influencer avatar. You can manage your avatar. You can create influencer video. You can create and manage posts, thumbnail creator, video editor, calendar, chatbots, and the likes. So now let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to click on create influencer avatar. And then it brings us to our chat box. So here you can turn text to AI avatar in just few seconds. So now let's do that. Here you can adjust the settings here. You can select the model that you want to use to generate images. Can you see standard or HD? You can specify that. You can specify the size. You can specify the model. You can specify everything here. You can always click here to start afresh. So here I'm just going to type in my prompts. Can you see that? And then I'll click on the send button to generate the image. And you wait while Influenx AI generates an amazing avatar for you in just few seconds. Can you see our avatar has been generated, and then I just click on download button, and then it's going to download our avatar for us in just a few clicks. So the next thing I need to do is to go ahead and create our video avatar. So I can come to create influencer video. So once you come to create influencer video, you see options on how you can create your influencer video. You can upload your own image. So like the image I just generated now, I can upload it here. That's number one. You can also clone yourself. You can upload a picture of yourself and use it as your AI influencer to sell anything in any language. So all I'm going to do is just upload the image. You see, I'll select the image I want to use. I'll upload the image. Also, you can select from our done for you template. You have access to tons and tons of AI celebrities that you can use to promote any of your products. As you can see, you can use them to promote any products that you want. So you can select any of these, or you can upload your own image. So let's say I've uploaded my image. The next thing is to select the voice. As you can see, these are the voice. We have tons of voices in different languages. So you can select any voice that you want, and then you can specify the language. So let's say I select this, then you can come to languages and select any of the language of your choice that you want to speak. So here I'm just going to select English for the case of this video. Then you can specify the volume. Is it low, is it default, or high? You can also specify the pitches. You can also specify the speed at which your AI influencer talks or speaks. You can add pauses, as you can see, and also you can add audio effects. You can even convert to maybe MP3 wave or OGP. So now, once we're done with that, you've done with selecting the voice and the avatar for your AI influencer, the next thing is to write a video scripts. And you can do this in two ways. You can actually add a keyword there and let our AI generate the video script for you, or you can just copy and paste or type in your video script here. So here I'm going to use AI. You see that, and then click on write. As you can see, our video script has been generated, and the next thing you can click on generate video, and that's it. Our video will be generated in just a few seconds. So let's wait and see. Influenx AI creates an amazing AI influencer that speaks in any language and sell our products for us 24/7. Good. As you can see, the video has been generated. Clean video. If you play the That's it. A video has been created. You can download your video so we can use it and promote any product of our choice. You can download it and save it on your system. So the next thing we come to post and click on create post. So once you come to create posts, you have different options. You see, you can generate captions using our AI. You can also upload image or video and schedule the dates in which you want to post. So say, let's say text. Right? Can generate caption. When I click on generate caption, I can enter the keyword, let's say model building, in case I don't want to write myself. Just click on generate. Then it's going to generate the caption. Can you see the caption has been generated automatically. The next thing, I can choose image. So you can upload your own image. You see, you can choose image, or you can go to our image library. These are the images that we've generated just now. And if you go to video library, you see your video as well. So you select the video that we just generated, right? Once you select the video that I've generated, you select the dates in which you want to post this content. So this calendar allows you to plan your content, so you know the dates in which you've created content for. So let's say I selected today's date and then you click on next. Once you click on next, it brings you to this page. So here you can share your content to different social media. You can use the copy button to copy the content, right? And then share it on social media. So if you click on this plus sign, you have access to more than 300 social media where you can post this content on, and you have access to Facebook, Twitter, even email, WhatsApp, WeChat, TypePad. You can publish to any of these 300 social media. So let me just test with Facebook. Once you click on post to Facebook, can you see that? You see the contents there, and also the video is there, and then you can click on the share button to share this on your social media. You can share on as many social platform as possible. And also under posts, you can come to manage posts. You see the calendar to see the posts you've created. Can you see that? You see the posts you've created. You can see the dates and you schedule the calendar, so you see everything here. Aside that, we also have the thumbnail creator. The thumbnail creator allows you to create thumbnails for your videos. So let's say you want to post on platform like YouTube, you can generate thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So you just select any of the thumbnails. You can customize, you can edit text. Can you see, you can change the background, you can change the image. If you come here, you see different options there, right? You can upload image, you can add text. You can see if you want to upload image, you can just select the image you want to upload. Let's say I want to upload this image. I'll select the image. Can you see that? Then you can add text, you can add anything to it. And once you're done, you can just save and download. So that is how to use the thumbnail creator. You can come to download, give it a file name, and then you download as image. Can you see that? So that's how to use the thumbnail. We also have the video editor that allows you to edit your video. You can import your AI influencer video here, add text, add call to action buttons, can add as many things as possible to make it stand out and convert well. So that's what the video editor is all about. You can upload your video here. You can see, come to video, you select video, you upload the video. So you see your video, you can add text, add any type of text that you want. Can you see that? So I can change this to even a white color to blend well. It's a build on, you can add text, you can add whatever it is, you can add shapes, you can add images. Can you see that? Add images. At the end of the day, you have your video. So you can play your video. Once you're done, you can download your video. So you can start downloading. If you want it to be GIF, image, or anyone, just click on start downloading, and then it's going to render your video and then download it. Can you see? Just click on save, it's going to download automatically, and then you have that. We also have the calendar. The calendar is where you can see all the content you've scheduled so far. You can see today, Monday, you can see the content that we scheduled, and then you can see all your content that you've planned. This is like content planner for you, and you can see all your content at a glance. Another amazing feature that we have is the AI chatbot that allow you to create AI influencer that sells for you on complete autopilot. So all you have to do is to create your chatbot. So if you come here, you come to chatbot, and then you click on new chatbot. Once you click on new chatbot, you give your chatbot a name. So let's say you have an e-commerce website or whatever it is that you sell, you give your bot a name. So here I'm going to say build on rep. So I'm building a chatbot for our muscle building program. Then I select the provider, which is OpenAI. Just leave all these things as default. I can specify the color of my chatbot, right? So let's say I want to go with this theme to blend with my product theme. I'll click on continue, and then once you have it, so here all you have to do is just to copy these scripts and paste it on your website. And once you paste it on your website, then you can train this AI to sell your product for you on complete autopilot. So how do we train it? Just click on Let's Train. And once you come to Let's Train, you see you can train your AI influencer in different ways, maybe by uploading files. You see file upload, you can upload details about your products by uploading the files, right? Website URL, you can input your website URL and also plain text. You can just copy and paste plain text here. So here I'm just going to train it with our website URL. So let's say I'm going with a website link. I'm going to copy the link to our website. You see, this is what I want to use to train our AI so that anytime customers are relating with our AI, I can provide them with information as regards our website. So I'm going to paste it here and click on fetch URL, and then it's going to fetch the URL. Can you see? Just click on the one I wanted to focus on, or I can select all. Just click on add selected. So our AI is going to be trained with that data. Can you see? It has been added. So I'm going to check this box and then click on train in order to train our chatbot. You can see successfully trained the materials. So once we've trained our AI chatbots, and then we can embed it on our website, and then we can start getting this AI to close sales for us on complete autopilot. So this is everything that you have access to inside Influenx AI. Thank you.